Welcome to Samarth Talks, an endeavor to raise awareness and sensitize India's youth around inclusion for persons with disabilities. This is a platform where India's para-athletes find their voice and share their journeys, their setbacks and their unbreakable willpower. In this video, let's hear from Rachna Patel on what makes her Samarth.
I am a international para badminton player, and I have won more than 10 medals national and international level in just 3 years. I just started playing badminton back in 2022, and in 3 years I am here representing our country at the highest level and winning medals for our country. So that's a proud moment for us, for our support system, and for all of us who are supporting para-athletes. So one of the greatest achievement mine is I won bronze medal in Asian Para Games Hangzhou back in 2023. I have silver medal and bronze medal in World Championship, and more than 5 medals in open tournaments, and I won silver medal in the held Khelo India Para Games in 2024 in New Delhi. So yeah, that's my achievement, and I did MBBS, and I'm a doctor, but I'm not professionally a doctor, and I'm not practicing now because I'm completely into sports only. So that's all my achievement. But the twist is here. I have done all of these things with 12 screws and 7 rods in my spine. Because I have congenital scoliosis, that is, like anyone knows what is scoliosis?
It's a problem with the bones, yes, a specific bone.
Inclusivity and the disability that you don't know, because I'm the person that you don't know any disability in me. Because when I came, how many of you see that I have something and I have something problem in my health? Nobody will notice. But I have major problem in my health because I had 8 spine surgeries from 2005 to 2017. So that's a major surgeries, and so I have gone through 8 surgeries, and after that living with rods and screws in your spine and playing badminton. As you know, badminton is a very intense sport, and still you are playing at the highest level. That's only huge success for me and for my parents or for all the support system, because I'm able to play. I am really blessed to get a support from Samarth Para Sports program, because it came in my life at the most difficult time when I needed the most. Where, like as I told you, in 2024 I got a surgery, my last surgery, because of my infection in screw. So at that time everything was like कि हाँ अब मैं नहीं खेल सकती हूँ, अब now my game is खत्म, nothing will happen, and nobody was believed in me also कि like she will play and she will get up and she will win medals again. But at that time my coach Gaurav sir believed in me, and at that time Samarth Para Sports program came into my life, powered by Go Sports Foundation. So at that time, after getting support from Samarth Para Sports program, they supported me in my recovery after my surgery, and after training also, in training and day-to-day life also, like whatever you need in by nutritionist, by physiotherapist, or any recovery devices, everything they are I'm getting support. So that's a use for athletes, because we need the mental support also. So psychologist support also we are getting, and nutritionist, all the it's like all in one. for para sports, para athletes, Samarth para sports program is like all in one. You will get a whole of your everything to boost your performance.
Okay. Are you okay taking questions from the
Yeah,
audience?
yeah,
Yes? Okay.
As you have mentioned that you are going through the surgery like every 6 months. So how you have conveyed your parents to go in sports like badminton, where you have to be like so competitive throughout the game?
It was like very difficult for me to convince them because when I told them I want to join sports, so first reaction was no, you can't do because you have so many surgeries, you have rods and screws in your spine, and badminton is a very competitive sport and also very intense sport. You have to run all the time. So first reaction was no. But at that time, I told them just give me 6 months or 1 year to just prove myself because I know what I can do and what I want to do. Because that time my purpose was clear, my goal was clear because I wanted to play at any cost. Because I wanted to represent our country and win a medal for myself, for my family, and for our nation. So it was difficult to convince my parents, but at the same time, like if you have any goal or you have clear purpose, and so that's how like in any someday your parents will agree. So because they like when I went to the court for the first time, my mother saw me playing, and that's how she knows that oh, nahi, she can also play. So yeah, that's how like it takes time, but yeah, वो मान जाते हैं at the end.
Basically, you have to show your conviction.
Yeah,
Right? You
we,
have to
we
show.
have we have to prove
have to
that we
prove.
can do.
I just wanted to know what are the differences between what are the differences in accessibility standards between para badminton and normal badminton, and what are basically the adjustments that they make in Paralympics for example, people with scoliosis or height differences.
Like if I say about my sport badminton, like there is not much change in Olympics and Paralympics because we have same court size and we have same rules, everything is same, but we have some differences in Paralympics para badminton because we have 6 class, we have wheelchair users athletes also, they are playing badminton in wheelchair, and as like me, I have a SH6 category, that is short stature category. So I am playing badminton as a able body athlete, same like able body. So I don't have any issue and I don't have any extra rules or any specific difference. But yeah, in badminton and para badminton is just a difference between wheelchair user athletes because they need plastic courts, like not a synthetic court. So that's a major difference.